Hey guys, Nick Joseph and welcome to Code Red Defense. A question we got is, Nick, can you use your phone for self-defense? Now I kind of looked at this. I've never used it to defend myself or in any type of way. If I were to use it, if I were to keep it as simple as possible, and that's what I like to do, is if I was to strike anybody with it, it would be this way, boom, right into the throat. I would use the edge here, I would keep it tight and strike the throat. So from here to here, so if I'm talking to him, the good thing is you go right here and you drive it into the throat. It gives you a couple of, maybe an inch extra. It's also the fact that it's thin, it can easily go right into the throat. And again, it's always using your attack from a natural position, right? So I'm not gonna pull out my phone, place it, I'm not gonna premeditate my attack with my phone. If it's my hand and I'm talking to the guy, boom, I'm going to strike right from there. Now, even if I go with the point here, I'm just going to strike right there. But the important thing is that when I strike, I'm actually hooking it in here, that it doesn't just do this. I have to make sure that my hand, it's jammed in here, that when I strike, that if it pushes back, it's right there. Okay? So again, it's just a simple attack. Can you strike it this way? Not really. Can you strike into the eye? Maybe. But again, for me, the easiest, simplest way is to strike the throat. It would be the same way as doing this. But if my hand's in my hand, I'm not going to do this and put the phone in my pocket, because I might be open to get punched. So you got to learn how to strike from a natural position, and whatever's in your hands, just fucking use it. So if I'm here, boom, straight to the throat. Simple as that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to learn more self-defense, go visit our website, codereddefense.com. We have an entire hour-and-a-half video with just improvised weapons, which I'm actually teaching. I'm teaching a lot of different weapons, how to use them, but more is the idea to understand the mechanics of how to use everything that's in your hand, whether it's a static improvised weapon, projectile that you could throw, or something that you're holding. So we'll put the link in the comment box. I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and stand strong.